Are you tired of this life? Then what are you willing to change in your life? What can you sacrifice? Do you want to live a happy, simple life, waking up as you wish, working whenever you want, eating whatever you want, traveling wherever you want, buying anything without thinking it would mess up your monthly budget? And that is what everyone in the world thinks. To live a carefree life with nothing to worry about. Quite an easy life, right? Be chill and don't worry about anything. If given the choice, 90% of people in this world would take that life without thinking twice. But it's time to bite the hard pill and come back to reality. Only the chosen few, below 0.1%, will ever live that life. And even that is a generous number, I believe, because the world is unfair. Luck is not always on our side. As the quote says, there is no free meal in this world. We can only strive through opportunity. Can you sacrifice your pleasures to unleash your true self? Then let me give you a choice. Eat the hard pill, choose the red pill, or the blue pill. The red pill represents waking up to a painful truth, while the blue pill offers the comfort of a beautiful illusion. Pause the video and take your time to decide. If you chose the blue pill, close this video. My content and my time are not for you, but if you're still here, then it means you chose the red pill. Let me take you away from this illusionary world, a world designed to control your mindset, a rat race world that buries your dreams while keeping you comfortable at the bottom. I've created a mindset for guys like us, guys who refuse to stay in the box. This mindset is built to make your dreams come true, to level up in every phase of life. And I'm starting this series to explain how we're going to build that mindset and what kind of transformation it can bring you. Let me explain it in short. The level up mindset starts with 6 pillars. First, it's you. Basically, your body. You can't achieve your goals if the machine carrying you, your body, is in poor condition. Your body should be trained, ready for every fight or flight situation. Second, your mind. Even if the machine is strong, but the software is broken, then it's nothing more than a showpiece. We'll train your mind. Through vigorous learning, learn anything you're curious about. That's your first step toward freedom. Third, always be busy. Pick a hobby, a passion, something that pulls you in. Guys nowadays choose comfort over purpose, but purpose gives meaning to life. Comfort eats your life away. Fourth, create cash flow and wealth. If you're happy with your job and the pay is good, that's fine. But if you can be the best, why stop at good? Try to upscale, try to expand, because a man's worth is often judged by his money. Fifth, be fearless. Destroy the weak mindset. Face your fears. Head on, because every fear you conquer builds strength and projects a confident version of you to the world. Sixth, build your personality. Why do people admire celebrities? Their face, their hair, their body, their fashion, even the way they speak. It's the full package, the aura. We have to level up our thinking, our presence, our style. These are the 6 pillars of the level up mindset. Pause the video and note it down. If you like this video, follow and subscribe to our channel for more level up content like this.